Good day, everyone. Learn how you can create images from ChatGPT. So open your favorite browser and type chatgpt.com. That's it, chatgpt.com, and hit enter. You can sign in with the email address or without signing. And then you can simply type create an image and describe the description of the image which you want. So I want to create an image of a techie guy, create an image of a techie guy with specs and working in a laptop, working on laptop, and I'll hit enter. So very soon we will have the results in front of us. Please wait. And it should not take more than 20 seconds to create an image. And here we go. So create an image of techie guy with specs and working on laptop. So you can see he's working on the laptop, he got specs, and he looks nerdy and handsome as well. So this is how you can create images from ChatGPT and just make the images of your imagination. Thank you. Please hit the like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.